Hi guys, welcome back to your own channel. So we have seen the major forex, 6 of them, and these are the last 4. You can see here guys, I have told you if it will take resistance then you can achieve this target. Okay guys, if you do not have traded in here also guys, you can see here exactly taken resistance, our first target, our second target, our third target, all 3 target has been reached, and after that only you can see the one of the reversible. Okay guys, here also you have to buy because of I have told you price action video also. I have told you, you can see that this is the swing crosser, you have to buy somewhere here, shorted this area, keep your SL at this point or this point, red candle high. You can see that one sided momentum you have been got. Okay guys, here also, and also you can see here first time trade, second time trade, third time trade, fourth time it came, it broken, goes and taken resistance, once again came down. Because of it doesn't taken here exactly resistance, that's why it's gone and taken resistance and came down once again. You can see that the our accuracy is 90 to 95% guys. This is the NZD versus US dollar guys. We can see next major forex is euro versus JPY. You can see here I have told you if it will take resistance, exactly taken resistance guys. You can see here I have told you if this is crossing then only go for upside, this is crossing then taken resistance exactly, our first target reached. Okay guys, after that it reversible, taken our SL. Okay guys, not a issue about it. After that once again came downside. You can see here exactly at this point only taking resistance continuously. You can see that this is the area where continuously resistance has been made. Okay guys, at this red candle you have shorted and you have kept at this red candle will be your SL, or this is the resistance area, SL will be here. You can see that one sided momentum has been came, our at least 3 target almost reached. After that reversible has been came. This is the one of the major forex where we have faced the little difficulty to trade guys. Otherwise our all target has been achieved. In every forex pair we have got 2 to 3 trades at least in guys. You can check out those all also. I have uploaded video also here. This is the jackpot guys. What I have told you guys exactly happened. You can see here, this is the trend line. If this will be broken and came, you can see that exactly happened that our first target reached. This is very easy. Second target reached, consolidate. Third target reached. Okay guys, very nice. We have got 4 target almost reached. You can see here almost reached. Okay guys, I am telling you almost reached because of slightly, very slightly point are there. After that only one of the reversible came, no problem at all. Okay guys, you have booked your profit. Exactly here only the sellers has been came once again because this will act as resistance. Exactly taken resistance. Here only at this green candle only you have to short. This will be the SL at this green candle. You can see that one-sided momentum, boom. Within 1 hour you have got achieved at least up till what we have told you the target, and from here we have till from here only you have bought shorted. You can see that how huge profit you have been gained up till here. So you can see that how big jackpot we have got in AUD versus CHF. We have got almost jackpot. You can go and check out also guys. 90 to 95% accuracy is our there. You can go and check out there guys. Okay guys, here also in GBP versus Japanese yen, exactly consolidate, broken. Because of this consolidation, you can see here continuously consolidation, broken at this point only taking resistance. We have entered, our SL will be the very small at this green candle because buyers are there, so sellers will not take it up till there. Okay guys, you can see that one sided, our first second target reached. After that once again taken resistance from here. Okay, you have not taken this, no worry about it. We have achieved our 2 target. Exactly here only taken resistance. You can see once again taken resistance, once again came downside. Our target almost reached. Okay, if not reaching then also you can see that consolidation happened, goes upside, came, and our all target has been reached in downside. And exactly there only you can see here, exactly here only bars is dominant, and you can see here bars are so much dominant. Okay guys, at this kind of pattern only here somewhere came sellers. Okay guys, buyers came, sellers. After somewhere here only I am seeing that at this point, okay guys, at this point only it's going upside. So what I have done is that I have keep my very small stop loss at this point only, somewhere at this point. Okay guys, at this point I have taken my SL, and I have entered for long position. You can see that one-sided momentum we have got. How much we have not got, and this point we have got so much time to get it, but at this point only you can see that how nicely we have achieved our all target. You can see that I have also made a price action video. Also go and check out there. I have so much learning video also posted. There are some of the analysis videos also. There also I have told you so many learnings thing, so please go and check out, guys. If you like this video, guys, check out my Telegram channel also. I will update there too, and in communities also we have got jackpot, guys. I will also posted that video. Go and check out, guys. Thank you for watching this video. Thank you, guys.